So just this week, Banner released a new sensor named the LE550, which is a mid-range, high-precision laser sensor. So let's take a look at it. So Banner's LE550 sensor is a 1 meter range, 1 millimeter accuracy laser sensor operating on triangulation technology. So in this video, we're gonna describe the physical characteristics of it. We're gonna talk about how triangulation technology works, and we're gonna show a quick setup for scaling the output. So Banner's LE550 sensor works on the triangulation measurement principle. So let's quickly describe that. So we can draw it out pretty simply here. We've got a laser that projects out onto an object, and we've got a linear array sensor that's built into the body of the LE550. So that laser and array sensor are there's a relative angle that mates the two. So what I mean by that is the laser is projected out of the body of the sensor at a known angle, and of course it's going to bounce back and hit the linear array sensor, and it's going to light up a segment of that linear array sensor. So now we know that with basic trigonometry that we can solve for the leg of a right triangle, which we've essentially got here, by knowing the angle, which we know, and by knowing the length of one of the legs, which we know based on the linear array sensor. So with that, the sensor can determine how far away the object is. Now, some of the benefits of triangulation sensing is that it's highly accurate within a specified range. So this sensor is accurate to about 1 millimeter over a 1 meter range. And the object can change surface finish and color without disrupting the accuracy of the output. So we can go from a white target to a black target, or a shiny target to a matte finish target. And the sensor's output will remain stable and accurate. So now let's actually use the sensor and show you how easy it is to set up. So one nice thing is right out of the box, the sensor is scaled for 1 meter. So if you're not too concerned about scaling your output or optimizing your output for your given range for your application, you can operate the sensor in the 1 meter range right out of the box, just wire it up. That's all you have to do, no configuration required. If you want to optimize it for your range, that's a pretty simple thing to do. So let's just show you how to do that. Now, you enter in the menu by pressing the green check, and we want to say analog output. That's what we want to configure, so we'll hit the check again. And we want to teach 2 points. So we're going to teach a far point and a close point, or a 20 milliamp and a 4 milliamp point. So let's do that. Now you can see here it says teach 4 milliamp points. So this is going to be my far point, so I'm going to move up to here for my close point, or my 4 milliamp point. So we'll teach that, teaching, and that says that short point was at 187 millimeters. Now let's back up. Let's go back to teach 2 points again. Now this time, let's scroll down to 20 milliamps. So we'll teach our far point. So let's back that up to about here. Teaching. Okay, now you can see, well, not yet, let me back up. Now you can see that at 399 millimeters, as opposed to 1 meter, we have our 20 milliamp output. And as we slide it forward, you can see that we'll reach our 4 milliamp point at around 188 millimeters. Now, Banner supplies this wheel that I can turn and show you that the output is stable, whether it's on a white, black, yellow, or silver target. So I guess we can quickly do that. So as you see, I'm on the black target now. Well, maybe you can't see that, it's so hot. I'll put it over here. Now you can probably see that I'm on the black target, and I'm at 409 millimeters. Switch to the white, 409, the silver, 409, and yellow, 409. So that's just to reiterate the benefit of triangulation technology, which is, again, it's not concerned with the color or the finish of the object that we're looking at. So that's it. So I hope this video has shed a little bit of light on how triangulation technology works and how the LE550 leverages it to solve applications. And if you've got an application in mind for yourself, reach out to PowerMation, and we'd be pleased to evaluate it and loan you some sensors to get you on your way. So thanks for spending time with me, guys. We'll talk to you next time.